Hello, good morning. Welcome to Eat, Travel, Laugh, Repeat. This is Abhishek, and today we are at Santorini. Today, I will be taking you to a virtual tour of this place called Langas Villas, where we stayed for 3 nights. And this is the best location I have ever stayed in, and you will shortly know why. Let us start from the top, and I am moving towards the rooftop of this place that we have stayed in. And when I first saw this view, it literally took my breath away. So in front of us is Aegean Sea with Caldera view. This is the rooftop of the place we stayed in. It has got a mini infinity pool where you can just relax in the afternoon or take a dip just before leaving for your excursion for the day. I did both, and this Cycladic houses looks absolutely spectacular. We have this blue water and this caldera in front of us, and this is the top location because we have Fira on our left side and Ia on the right, but imanovically this place is situated at the highest point, so it gives you the best view of the sunset, and it's a spectacular thing to see that I will show you towards the end of the video. Now let's go down, and we will be moving into the room we stayed in. I will show you the room. It was on the ground floor, so just we are about to move in. Was the room we stayed. This is really cute. It's kind of a cave house feeling it has, and this is the mini bed outside. We have kitchen on the left. It's an open kitchen, and we now move towards the bedroom, the another bedroom, which is a window from where you can also view the caldera and the blue Mediterranean Sea. And we have this beautiful balcony from where you can also enjoy the sunset and the view of this spectacular place. It's a purely magical, guys. You need to be here to just see it and believing it. Now I will be giving you a glimpse of the afternoon. It's around 4:45 p.m. guys, and we are awaiting for the sun to set to watch the magical thing to happen. It's a really great experience, and you can also enjoy the same from the pool. I did that, and there are also people, as you can see, gathering in to enjoy the sunset. It is often said that Santorini has one of the best sunset around the planet, and it's purely magical. As we await, the sun takes a dip in the sea to rise again tomorrow relentlessly. So tomorrow we will be going to Ia to watch it from there. It's said to be the best place to watch sunset in the world. If not the best, one of the best for sure. Good morning once again, as I enjoy a cup of tea, watching this beautiful caldera and this blue sea. I hope you guys are also enjoying this video. So today we will be going to Ia to watch the sunset. Before that, we will have a breakfast at the rooftop. By the way, they serve breakfast at the rooftop by the pool, where you can have the wonderful breakfast prepared by the host and enjoy this view. And on the right side you can see Ia. So this is the place we will be traveling. It's kind of an hour from here by bus, and it's said to be one of the best places in the world to see the sunset, and we will be witnessing that today in the afternoon. So as I come towards the end of the video, I hope it was a useful one, and if you really liked and enjoyed this video, do share, like, comment, and if you can, do subscribe. So before I end this video, I'd like to say that this may not be the best star hotel you have stayed in, or for sure, but this is the best location in Santorini to stay if you really want to have a great view, because as mentioned earlier, it's at the top, it's on the highest point from Ia and Fira. So as you can see, they serve a quite a sumptuous breakfast, and I've enjoyed a lot, and took a dip in the pool in the afternoon, sometime also in the late afternoon with a can of beer while basking in the glory of sun. And as the evening sets in, the place becomes more and more beautiful, like a fairyland, like a dreamland. Thanks for watching till now. This is Abhishek signing off. Stay well, stay safe, and God bless everyone.